Chantal and Jean start hiking from a trailhead towards a fire tower. Jean is wearing a heavy backpack and walks slower. Chantal starts walking at 4 miles per hour. Halfway to the tower, the trail becomes really steep, and Chantal slows down to 2 miles per hour. After reaching the tower, she immediately turns around and descends the steep part of the trail at 3 miles per hour. She meets Jean at the halfway point. What was Jean's average speed in miles per hour until they meet? So we can draw a diagram for this. We realize there is a trail that goes from wherever Chantal and Jean were to the fire tower. And so since Jean is wearing a heavy backpack, he is going to be going at a slower speed. So we have Chantal walking a halfway distance at 4 miles per hour, and then slowing down to walk at 2 miles per hour for the other half, and then coming back at 3 miles per hour to the halfway point again. So let's call the total distance of this trail a distance x plus x, which is a total distance of 2x. So that means overall, the time that Chantal takes to walk this distance of x plus x plus x is going to be, we know that distance is rate times time, so time is equal to distance over rate. So we have our first time block is going to be distance x over 4 miles per hour. Second time block is distance x over 2 miles per hour. And our third time is going to be distance x over 3 miles per hour. So overall, this is going to be added up to get our final time that Chantal and Jean take to meet up, again at the middle after Chantal comes back. That is going to give us x over 4 plus x over 2 plus x over 3, which is just all the times added together. And that will give us x times 1/4 plus 1/2 plus 1/3. Find a common denominator to be 12, which gives 3 over 12 plus 6 over 12 plus 4 over 12. And that lands us at x times 13 over 12. So we realize that this is going to be the overall time that Chantal takes and that Jean takes to meet at this center point here. So while Chantal was going back and forth, Jean was only going from the starting point to this halfway point. So Jean has traveled a distance of x. And since we want the average speed, we know that rate is equal to distance over time. So Jean's rate is going to be the distance, which is x, over the time, which is x times 13 over 12. And the x's cancel out to reveal 12 over 13 as Jean's average speed in miles per hour. And that is going to be answer choice A.